Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix cannot verify payment information. Contact Apple support for more information. If you are trying to complete the payment method on your Apple ID and you're facing this kind of error in this video, I will show you how you can fix that. First of all, make sure you are entering the correct debit or credit card information. Okay, make sure your credit or debit card is not expired. If it's expired, just replace it with an other credit or debit card. So if you're also facing still that issue after completing that first procedure, in this video I will show you how you can fix that. So firstly you need to close that, and after closing that you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to go back, and after that you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down and find here language and region. Okay, tap on language and region and make sure you are selecting the correct country or region there you live. Okay, after selecting the country and region, try it again to complete that procedure. If that method not solving your issue and you're facing this kind of error again and again, there is another solution to fix that. Okay, tap on setting again. In settings section you need to scroll down, tap on general. Okay, after tapping the general you need to tap on software update and make sure your iPhone updated to the latest iOS update and it's not running on any old iOS update. If you're facing this kind of error again after completing the installation and software update, there is an other solution. Just close that and force to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just go and force to restart your iPhone and easily fix that. So there are 2 to 3 methods that you can easily solve that issue. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix that. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.